Yeah, take a look at how high the water is, and I can tell you it's gone down since it was a mean high tide just a couple of hours ago here along Flagler Drive. And the streets here up and down our coast have been flooded, and it's going to get worse by Tuesday morning. People crowd the Lake Worth Beach Boardwalk, hoping for a glimpse of the supermoon that's the cause of all this flooding.
We're out here to watch the supermoon, but unfortunately it's very cloudy.
Did you see that the tide is up really high now?
Yes,
we
yeah,
did
we
see
seen that,
Not much to see at the beach in terms of the moon or the tide, which is higher than normal. But up and down Flagler Drive, the street flooded signs tell the story. And it's the same in Delray Beach, where David Froman told us earlier Monday he's used to it.
Once we had 3-4 inches in the house. Every time since it's been up to the doors, maybe the front foyer.
And here's how it looked in West Palm Beach Monday morning. Experts say people who live in low-lying areas near seawalls are going to have to brace for more flooding as the full moon and sea levels continue to rise.
Folks that live along the intercoastal have been, especially in the low spots, they've been seeing water like this for years. But then again, they only see it once or twice a year. Now they're seeing it every month.
And experts tell me by tomorrow, Tuesday, the tide should be super high. So people who live along these seawalls, and there are so many, might have to start thinking about maybe raising those seawalls as this high tide becomes a more frequent occurrence.